Hi guys.
So,
We got this. So we got this baby 3 for like
what baby 3? It was actually yes, got mixed up. It's LaBuBuu, and we just got it today. Like I just came home from my extra math class, and this came out. So okay, I'm really surprised because my family have never bought something like this, and it's actually my dad's colleague that bought this for us, which is very surprising. So I'm really excited right now. It's actually a forest version or camping version, which I love. We have the same, which I kind of want you to be different, but it's okay. So let's unbox it. Like I want to do some ASMR, but I have no nails. I cut it off. So let's open it.
but wait. Okay, let's unbox it.
Okay, I'm so scared if I don't know how to open it.
Oh,
How to open?
oh my goodness, this is hard. Try your best. Oh, here it is. So you put out of these tape.
I actually see this, but I don't know if it's gonna actually take.
We should have like something like cut this hard time.
Okay.
Do you have any nails?
This will totally ruin the box, but okay. Whatever.
It's hard. This is
So
hard.
oh man.
This is
No,
hard.
this is hard. Okay, I can pull it. Okay.
Help me, please.
Done successfully. So this part.
Help me, please. Why don't you help me?
Because I gotta work on this too.
Finally.
You can do it on your own.
Number 1 success. Let me just put out all the tape. Yeah.
Okay, I love the tape by the way, because normal tape would be like square and triangle, but sorry, not triangle, square. But this is actually round, which I found I like, I love to explore small parts. So
Hey, wait for me! Wait for me! Don't start yet.
okay, so firstly, we
I am
have
struggling.
this card. Come on.
I'm struggling. Stop talking. Help me.
Seriously.
I don't know how to put it.
Okay, yeah, pull it out. So at first we have this card, which I found really cute. It's really cute.
Hey.
Okay, for me it's really cute.
This card is like different. Like the material is different on other cards that we get.
Yeah.
Me too.
Even out Noel, so it said that fall and win the monster, small garden grow big dreams, which I love. This card is so cute. We're gonna put it here.
So put it there. And
So
I'm
excited.
so
Okay, we haven't. Okay, now I think we need to put it in this whole experience that I learned. So it's
Hey, Tama, you don't have to do that.
yes, I have to.
I'm scared. I'm scared. Oh,
So this is what we got.
oh, Tama, pull that for me.
Now you gotta put it down.
Pull. Okay.
Now we need to put it down like this.
Wow.
So two enormous. So that's okay. Oh, that's tape. Again, dude. But I'm kind of thankful because if there's no tape, then I can pull it out exploding everywhere. So
It's easy. Put down. In the back.
Okay. Okay.
It's hard.
Okay, I'm so excited.
Why did this tape rip?
Man, I hate tape. Seriously.
How much tape does it wasting for this?
Oh.
Help me, please. My tape is still here. And it
We
doesn't.
gotta throw this away, Lita. Okay.
Wait, me. Why don't we wait? Why are you so excited for that?
Hear that noise?
Hey. Did
I
you-
know, but you can pull this out right now. Dude. Man, we're gonna take it. I can imagine that it's just gonna pull out like this. Please open this. I'm so tired of these tape closures.
Finally.
One step away. Finish. Okay, just pour it out.
It's easier.
Now let's open our. So
Let me see.
I'm so scared. So I'm so scared to open it up.
Oh my goodness, Sally.
Be careful.
I know. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness.
Oh my god, look at this. This is so cute. Now let's. I'm so scared.
Just careful.
It's like a real baby. Oh, now we need real scissors. Can you go out and get some scissors?
Okay, I just gotta go and get some scissors.
Okay, this literally feels like a real life baby. Like it's very and there's little. Like I love this outfit. Okay, now I'm really scared, guys. Okay, yeah, look, the scissors.
Can you give the box here, I guess?
You can put it there because there's no space.
Oh my goodness. I'm so
Now
scared.
I got to cut. Please don't cut the fur. Please don't cut the fur. Can you get more? Okay.
Just try your best.
I'm about to say that can you get some strong scissors?
Okay,
But it's okay. It's okay.
can you give me my scissors?
No, yeah.
Just wait for me. Just wait. Are you impatient, girl?
Yes, I am. Okay, it's also one about your neck. I'm so sorry.
Oh my goodness.
I just touched his face. Yeah, it's like a real life baby, and those fur are so furry.
Oh my goodness.
Okay,
Help me, please. Oh, I did it.
now you got the neck too.
Oh my goodness. The neck is pulled. How can it breathe?
Oh man, we can't cut this.
Okay, you can just do that and then just push. Done.
Ooh, yes. Strong. Okay, now is progress. Let's lift up the baby. It's like a real baby.
Oh my goodness. Now can you?
It's like a real life baby.
Oh, I couldn't look at it.
It's actually like a real life baby. Look, see, it's furry inside and it feels soft like a baby.
Oh my goodness.
I don't know how to tell you guys this, but it's exactly you feel exactly like a cute baby. Man, oh, and its coat is valuable.
Oh my goodness. These eyes are clear.
Okay, these guys are plants in them. Man, it feels like a real fly baby. I'm telling you, it's a real. Those boots are sick. Those boots are sick. It's so cute. And I don't even know how they came up with this to match the whole outfit.
Oh my goodness, Tama. Look at this. It's even have its name. Here.
Label name, and it feels like a real live baby. I'm telling you for the fifth time, but it's like a real baby. Okay, so that's the end of our video with now a really newcomer. I will name him. Let's see. It gotta be contains an L. So him or her. He looks more like a him to
But
me.
it's her.
You sure? I think it's a him.
Oh, maybe he's a him. Let me see. Small guy, girl, big tree.
Okay, so I call him Logan. Oh, hey Logan. Logan is good. So I call him Logan. I love the name Logan.
And my name is Lagan.
Lagan? No, Layla.
It's a boy, bro.
Layla, so you can be the girl. Or loser?
Stop it. This is a boy. Can you see he don't have any hair? Where's the hair?
The hair's all over his body. So you can name him, but don't name Lagan. It's actually weird. So call him.
I think Lagan.
No, you can't copy me.
But I like Lagan.
Lee.
Lagan.
Lead.
Lagan.
Load. Lo is my Logan. You can name with a B, just like you.
I don't care what's the name. It's beautiful.
That is actually surprising. So this is our newcomer, Logan, and
Lagan.
no, you can't name her Lagan. Okay, whatever, Lagan. So see you in the next video with a newcomer, Logan and Lagan. So see you in the next video. I was hoping you see them. Bye. So excited. Bye.